Hi Taurus, welcome to your reading. This video is for you if your sun, moon, rising or Venus is in the sign of Taurus. You are earth sign and you rule the second house of the astrological chart. So here we are going to do your reading from 5th of April to 20th of April. So for these 15 days, let's see how these 15 days are going to treat us. What is it that it is going to bring in? I am going to use 4 of my oracle cards and I'll clarify the message from my good tarot. So let's go ahead firstly with our Shaman oracle card, and the card for these 15 days for you is Thunder. So Thunder is a card which is very much equivalent to the Tower card of the tarot. Almost similar. So basically there is a dramatic change coming your way in these 15 days time, which will bring about kind of rather I would say a dramatic and an unexpected change in your life, and you are required to not resist that change. You may not like it at the moment, but this thunder, this particular moment will, when it will pass, it will clear the air for you. So do not resist the change. Secondly, even if you resist the change, things won't change. Even if you do not want that change, this will anyways happen because this is divinely, very divinely guided. And so it's always, when thunder comes, that too from the Shaman oracle card, it actually means that you just have to be ready for this change. You cannot do anything in this regard. So the only thing that you can do is accept, okay, and move along with this thunder. So these 15 days, definitely there is a dramatic change coming your way. Let's see how and which ancient symbol is guiding us through and along with this thunder. So I'm using my symbol augury card, a compilation of 54 ancient symbols. Let's see, Taurus, what do we have? Which sign is guiding us? Speed. Yeah, so I just told you some dramatic change, a change in a particular direction. Speed is a card which says that, you're moving in a particular direction. If you see, there's an arrow, okay, and it actually says there is an intensity. So this is an arrow which has already left its bow and it has already been given a direction. It is about to hit its target and you cannot stop. Once you have spoken a word, it cannot be taken back. Once you shoot an arrow from the bow and it is out of the bow, you cannot stop it. It has a direction, it has a target, it has a speed. So very similar in line with the thunder. So now nothing is in your hand. It is anyways very divinely now moving towards a change. You are actually moving towards a change. A kind of a wanted or an unwanted change, now it's done. Okay. This is what I am getting. Let's see which crystal or archangel is guiding us through with this whole thunder and speed and intensity matter. I'm also getting something that acceptance and surrendering has to be very important, Taurus, for these 15 days time. In the description box you can see the link to the surrender meditation video from my YouTube channel that will help you to perform the whole surrendering meditation. It doesn't take more than 3 to 5 minutes. So please practice the surrender meditation, because this change which this thunder and speed is bringing is definitely a change that will affect you for long term. Let's see how good or bad this change is, because probably something has already been shot in your direction. It cannot be undone now. So okay, 5th to 20th for Taurus. We have Archangel Raphael. So Archangel Raphael is the Archangel of healing. Okay, so we would need healing. Of course, the kind of dramatic change and the kind of change it is happening, and we cannot do anything. So acceptance and surrendering is a form of healing. Let me understand. So it's basically you have to tap in your innate healing ability. You have to realign your emotions and spiritual, emotional body, spiritual body, and physical body. Make sure that you surrender. Make sure that you heal yourself. Do some sort of, I believe just acceptance, a detachment from the situation, not resisting it, and doing some sort of healing through surrender meditation. Having faith in this whole process will bring in a lot of balance. So also get into the nature. So Archangel Raphael's color is green. Okay, so I would suggest you to be very near to greenery, green nature. Okay, plants. So go and talk to plants, be in nature. um, Herbs and somehow essential oils. So in case you have a park or a garden or something very natural, and greenery, if greenery, you are near about some greenery or greenery place kind of, then it's good enough. Otherwise you can use herbs and vibrations of plants and connect with the mother earth, stay grounded. Use essential oils, kapoor. Okay, so camphor is what it is called. So you can use that to stay a little nature connected, so that you stay grounded. So you can do earth element meditation also. The link is in the description box along with surrender meditation. Stay focused, because the world around you is definitely changing. There are uncertainties in life, and probably these cards are actually saying, and Archangel Raphael and his green color is also saying that it's very important to accept the change and the uncertainty, because it is there. I mean, you cannot undo it, or you cannot heal the situation for not happening. You can just heal the situation for you to be able to accept the change. Okay, stay grounded, Taurus. You're anyways earth sign, but it seems that you are misaligned. So nature brings you balance. Get out in the nature. Maybe you can wake up early in the morning when pollution is less. You can just go out and walk in nature. Let's see what is the Atlantis card talking about. It is talking about contemplation. So contemplation is a card which talks about spending some quiet time. And contemplation is what it is, basically getting into some silent, having some silent moment for your own self, meditating, keeping aside all the mind-boggling things aside, and basically quiet contemplation. It's like no phones, no TV, no talking, no work, your own time. So that is why probably before this card was coming up, I was telling you anyways that go out in nature in the morning, wake up early, stay grounded, go here, be there wherein you can actually spend some time alone. Okay, so probably you'll receive clarification from your inner wisdom itself. It is time to tune into your own inner wisdom rather than depending upon somebody else. So you'll receive guidance from the invisible world inside of you, the unique space inside of you rather than outside of you. Yes. So let's see, Taurus, what is it that we need to understand? Where is this change happening? Spirit guides, please tell us. Archangel Raphael, please tell us where is this change happening for Taurus? A lot of contemplation and energy work is what you are guided to do. I think similar was the reading for Scorpio also, wherein in terms of action there was nothing to be done physically, but everything was to be done internally for these 15 days. I really don't know what exactly is happening astrologically also, which is affecting you people. So Taurus, let's find out for you. Okay, Eight of water, definitely you're moving away from a toxic emotions, a toxic relationship, a toxic situation. That's what this movement is. Probably you've already decided and nothing can stop you from there. Patience is what is very important. That is why Archangel Raphael was asking for acceptance and not losing faith, and staying focused, staying grounded, having that contemplation for that inner guidance, inner wisdom, because in your quiet time itself the answers will come up. And if you see this eight of water, eight of cups is actually a card which talks about leaving the past behind and moving ahead, even if it is not acceptable. But have patience, things are definitely changing with a lot of speed. There can be a location change also for most of you, many of you, during these 14 days time. Okay, yet another card, five of air. Yes, there's an isolation that you're going to have, and you'll fly high after that. So probably this is time wherein you have to have that silent contemplation. You may socially distance yourself, or people may socially distance you. You would travel somewhere, you will come out of the toxic situation or some toxic relationship. Just have patience with your own self. It's all do not blame your karma or destiny or whatever. This is happening for your good. Oh, then see, I was just saying that it is happening for your good, and comes the laughing Buddha, the 10 of water. So all this, this movement is actually towards that laughter, abundance, wisdom, more balanced life. So I believe during these 5 to 14 days will be a little energy work or internal work, and a sort of patience for you to keep pace with this change that is happening. You will see the change happening, see things touring away in front of you, and just don't let 1 or 2 days of heavy emotions rule over your whole life. So your life for a long term is changing, Taurus. Okay. And then comes the five of water. So a lot of water element, and five is a number of change, five, and then 5 plus 5 is 10, so 25. Okay, and the reading is for 15 days, from 5th to 20th. Somehow I'm getting a lot of 5, and it's multiple here. So 5 of water is like, this 8 water is actually saying that you will be socially distanced, you'll have to fly high, you'll have to keep yourself away from toxic relationship. You'll finally decide to move on from the pains and the hurts that you have had in your emotions. It is less to do with your money matters, it is more to do with your own health. Sorry, I don't know why did I say health. Okay, it is more to do with your emotions. Probably for some of you whose energy I am catching, it is also to do with your health. Something definitely is healing within you. So, but then the whole idea is within the next 10 days, you are definitely moving towards 10 of water. Just have patience for these 14-15 days. Somewhere around 14th of this month, 14th of April, you will start having a lot of balance getting restored in your life. But then don't let this sadness of 5 of water and social distancing and kind of bullying or whatever happening, social bullying or whatever, people are not listening to you, some sort of unhappiness I do see. And that is why probably you finally take a decision to have this thunder in your life. You've already decided, you've started that movement, probably there's a relocation happening. Accept this change and go on, because there is 10 of water here. I want to draw one more card, Taurus. Let's see, what is it? Okay. Yeah, Magician. So see, Magician is a card of manifestation. It says that I am enough to manifest everything. I have everything, every resource to make my life happy and worthy and abundant and prosperous. So do not, you don't have to depend upon somebody. Probably you were dependent on somebody and that goes away, and that is why that sadness and social distancing and you feeling lonely or whatever, and you finally decide to move on because you finally come to this realization in these 14-15 days that I am the magician. I am the one who can manifest anything with the power of my own mind. And for that mind to be under control, please work with Archangel Raphael. Have some sit in the nature, do some grounding meditation, or earth element meditation, surrender meditation, and go out in nature, walk in the nature, spend some quiet time, do some sort of quiet contemplation for your own self. So all the best, Taurus. Let me know in the comment box how these 15 days finally treat you, and like, subscribe and share this video with your loved ones. Please take care. Bye bye.